Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix too many requests in 1 hour on ChatGPT. So let's begin the video. To begin with, here I am going to click on my Chrome browser, and once I clicked on it, now I have to click on the three dots at the top right corner. Then I will click on the settings option at the bottom. Then at this interface I'm going to click on the privacy and security option at the top, and once I am there I will click on the clear cookies option, and once I click on the clear cookies option, now I will scroll down and go to the apps data option, and then here at this interface I will type in openai.com in the search bar, and it will redirect me to the ChatGPT cookies. Then I will click on the trash icon, and here I will click on the clear option at the bottom. Once you have cleared the data, now see if your problem is solved or not. Another fix for this issue is you have to go to your Chrome browser, and here you have to search for the OpenAI. And here you have to click on the first link, and at this interface you have to click on the sign up option at the bottom, and then it will redirect you to this page. Here you have to again click on the sign up option. After that you have to create a new account, or you have to sign up using a new Gmail account. Now once you have selected your desired email address, then at this interface they will ask you to enter your verification phone number. Here you have to enter your phone number in order to verify your account. They will send a SMS to you for the verification process, and once the verification is done, here's your account has been created. Another simple and easy fix is that you have to wait for the 1 hour, and after 1 hour you can try it again using ChatGPT. So these were the few simple and easy steps you can follow to resolve this issue. This is how you can fix too many error requests in 1 hour on ChatGPT.